anybody around me or grew up around me can checkmate my energies and say, no, that's her. That's her. Yeah, that's her. She be like that when she do this, or yeah, that sound like her when she say this, or, you know. But I feel like, you know, I'm noticing people trying to change their, you know, it's just funny. I just feel like it's so funny to me. So silly. But anyways, like I said, maybe that's a future reference. Maybe that's somebody else's story or something. Maybe somebody need to check, you know, on they, maybe it's just a check on your children, you know, keep them close. That could be just a sign of that. I feel like this could be an eye for an eye. Somebody took a child, so somebody took a child. I don't know why I just heard that. I think there's a lot of people trying to figure out what us chosen ones want now, considering the damage they've done. I'm hearing righting wrongs. Also setting up future references. I feel like there is a group of children that are going to be born. I think this already happened, actually. Probably like 1.5 years or 2, I noticed. And I feel like it's about to happen again. Because I notice when I go to the grocery store, stuff like that, I don't see pregnant women. I don't see babies in the store. I barely see children. And I know I haven't seen a pregnant woman. And I don't go out much, but when I do, I barely see a pregnant woman at the grocery store or anything. It's kind of weird. It reminds me of that War on the Womb video that I did a while back. That had something to do with that movie of like the last generation of people that could have babies or something because they took some kind of mark and they were sterile and stuff like this. And then who knows, you know what I'm saying? Who knows what antidotes, what was all else packed up in there with a punch. Because they made Americans take it, right? But they didn't make these people that came in through thine borders take it. These just things that make you go, We was forced, or we couldn't even keep our jobs, supposedly. But we got millions of people coming in the border, supposedly and allegedly. And they didn't have to take it. We all know that men are more skeptical at sometimes when it comes to medical anything. They rarely want, unless it's for their job or something. You know what I'm saying? They rarely want to go to the doctor or whatever. Okay. We know women are going to be worried about them and their children, even if, you know, the husband, like, I don't really, you know, want to